trick or treat. It's me again. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. How do you like my new fashion statement? It was a gift from my friend Jilly. That girl has good taste. Thanks, Jilly. I'm in the Halloween spirit and I've been dating. Let's get a drink and I'll tell you all about it. I created this one especially for Halloween. To make it, all you do is combine 3/4 of an ounce of Kona coffee liqueur and 3/4 of an ounce sour cherry liqueur in a wine glass with ice. Fill with your favorite dry red and add a spooky cherry. So anyway, about my new squeeze. I was shopping in the Halloween store for some new decor, and this good-looking guy came up to me and he said, "You look just like the Black Dahlia." I said, "The what?" Turns out he's a producer and he's been studying this 1940s lady for a big movie project he's been working on, and he thinks I could play her in the movie. He wants me to dress up like her and act like her, and you know since I've been taking acting classes that I could do it. And small world, he knew all about Frankie, my first hubby who died under mysterious circumstances. Anyway, he wants to take me out for Halloween and he wants me to dress up as the Black Dahlia, so I have some research to do because he's really into her. This could be my big break, so wish me luck. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. They'll be back on Thursday with another Liquored Up live broadcast, but don't worry, I'll see you again real soon.